Hello. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to check for a vacuum leak in this engine. Now, what the symptoms of this engine are doing, this is from the 61 Comet, by the way. And what this, the problem I'm having with this engine is when it's hot and I idle to a stop at a stoplight or something, it stalls, it runs rough and stalls. Now, there's a couple things that could be wrong with it, or a combination of a couple things. And one of those could be a vacuum leak. And right now I'm going to test this, see if it has a vacuum leak by using a cigar and a vacuum tube run to the intake manifold. And basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a puff of the cigar smoke and blow it in the tube and see where it comes out. And then we'll see if we have a leak in the intake manifold. Now, all intents and purposes, it should come straight out the top, but we'll see. So here we go. Okay, I didn't see it come out anywhere else, so I'm going to put the air cleaner back on, do it again. Okay, if we have a vacuum leak, it's a very minor vacuum leak that I can't tell because there's too much smoke is coming out of the top of the intake manifold. Normally, if you have a good vacuum leak, it'll also come out of the open area naturally, and it's a simple, old-school way to tell if you have a vacuum leak in an old car, especially a carbureted car with an old-school intake manifold and what have you. So, all right, have a good one. Bye.